And now for another instalment of our road trip around the Malaysian peninsula. We're in Janda Baik, in this glorious countryside, and it's only an hour's drive from Kuala Lumpur. Our friend Hanis runs Radiant, which is a company that creates team building programs in various locations around the country. Like everyone else in the world, her business has been hit by the restrictions imposed to combat the COVID-19 virus. So she's diversifying and setting up some new businesses with her team. Here we've seen them set up a nursery to sell plants of various kinds in Janda Baik. And over at the Cherringan Hills Convention and Spa Resort, Radiant has set up various activities for children of all ages. As you can see, her team are a youthful, happy bunch, much amused by my demonstration of how to catch flies. For the past 20 days, we've been on a deeply intellectual search for the history of Malaysia. But today we're just hanging out in the cooler climes of the highlands and seeking enlightenment through the power of Instagram.
Welcome to Garden Farms by Radiant.
At Radiant's Garden Farms, we're never far from nature, though the chances of seeing a tiger nowadays is somewhat doubtful. Or perhaps not.
This bad boy here. His name is Bob and he's a monkey chaser. So the reason you have tigers like this in random parts of Malaysia is to scare monkeys away. So normally we have the tiger and then we have a chemical that smells like tiger urine that we spray around. So you can't smell it, right? Can you smell it?
No.
So it's meant for the monkeys to smell and get frightened away. Unfortunately, the effect doesn't last that long because the monkeys are quite smart. So I expect maximum a couple of weeks time they'll be riding on this tiger.
If you can't get to Janda Baik, well, they can bring all this to you. You can even convert your bathroom into a mushroom farm. What we're hunting for here are chiku. And no, that's not a kind of monkey. It's a curious fruit that tastes like caramel flavoured banana when ripe, and like a mouthful of gritty facial astringent when not. Tomorrow we're off to KL to hunt down some history and art. We would like to hit the clubs and show how we rock, but somehow we think that would traumatise our younger audience, who would accuse us of misappropriating their culture. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can see what happens next at facebook.com/Lawrence and Helen.